Problem with some appliances today is they're just a little too technical. So I'm 66. My water filter needs to be replaced on this Frigidare gallery refrigerator. So we're going to do that right now. It's very simple. Let's jump into it. So I'm replacing the filter on my Frigidare gallery refrigerator. There's a QR code there that you can order them on. However, I just ordered it from Amazon. And what you do is you push it in, let's see, and pull forward, and that allows it to drop down. Let me move this T over. Yeah, it says push to engage and then pull. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. And it came right out, and you can see this filter looks like this. This is the PWF-2 filter. So now you can see the holes in there, how you need to line it up with the post. So we're going to do that. Also, this little rail here thing that's on there has to go in where it will line up with the indicator right there. So let's do that, and we're going to push it in once we get it lined up. You just push it in, it clicked, and I'm going to close it by bringing this up and pushing it backwards. And then we're supposed to run like a gallon of water through it to prime the filter and clean it all out. As you can see, it still says replace water filter on the display, so we need to reset that, and I'm going to hold the water filter indicator down for about 3 seconds to try to replace that. To make that go off. And that did not work. Let me see what else I'm supposed to do. Darn, I didn't have the camera going. All I did was just press my finger on it again, hold it for 3 seconds, and the alert went off. I just pressed here, held it for 3 seconds, and that time it actually did beep, and then it flashed and it went off. Sorry, I didn't get that on camera. I did exactly the thing I did before, but for some reason it worked the second time. And that's all you have to do for that particular Frigidare gallery model. The model number is GRMC 2273 CF03. So I hope this helps.